Hey, what if I told you working harder and earning more will never actually make you wealthy? Doctors, engineers, managers, pars Peter, earning great salaries, pars, still retiring with almost nothing. Why? The problem: society teaches us to earn more, spend more, croys, but never how to make money work for us. Trading time for money is a trap. When you stop working, the money stops. Wealth works differently. Stop working, money stops. Your salary is linear income costs. 1 hour of work equals 1 hour of pay. Wealth requires exponential income. You have 24 hours a day, Damus, same as everyone. Your salary can only grow as fast as your time allows. After 40 years of linear income, you retire with whatever you saved. No salary, no security, just savings. 40 years working, retire poorer. That's it. The solution: use your salary as a launch pad, not a destination. Build income that works without you. Use a portion of every paycheck to buy assets, to index funds, dividend stocks, that pay you automatically. This month, open one investment account. Put just 10% of salary into a broad market index fund. Start. Here's what nobody tells you. Your salary is taxed before you even touch it. Investors get taxed after. Earn $5,000 salary dollars, government takes $1,200 first. Invest $5,000 size, money grows before taxes apply. Over a lifetime, salary workers pay hundreds of thousands more in taxes than smart investors. It compounds. Use tax-advantaged accounts available in your country. Money grows untaxed for decades. Legal, powerful. Research your country's tax-free investment account. Max it out annually before investing anywhere else. Find your country's tax-free account. Max it. Search today. Tax-free investment account plus your country name. Open one this week. Start small. Most salary earners buy liabilities: cars, gadgets, clothes. Wealthy people buy assets that pay them back. A new car loses 20% value instantly. New phone worth half in a year, these are wealth destroyers. New car, new phone, wealth destroyers. Spending salary on liabilities for 20 years means working harder tappers, but owning nothing of real value. New rule: before buying any luxury or mall, buy one asset first. Let the asset pay for the luxury later. Want a $500 gadget? First invest $500 in index funds. When returns cover the cost, then buy it guilt-free. Before your next big purchase, Johnny, pause. Ask, can I buy an asset of equal value first? Then decide. The salary mindset says work harder, get promoted, earn more. The wealth mindset says make money, work harder. Wrong mindset equals wrong results, always. If your plan for wealth is get a better job, do fines, you're still selling time. That ceiling never disappears. Keeping a salary-only mindset means your wealth potential is permanently limited by your employer's budget. Shift your identity. Stop being just an employee. Start being an investor who also has a job. Big difference. Investors ask, how can this money make more money? Employees ask, how can I earn more money? Different question. Right question changes everything. Ask it daily. This week, read one article about investing. Watch one finance video. Feed the investor mindset daily. Even if your salary stays the same, inflation means it buys less every single year. You're getting poorer. Same salary, less value, getting poorer quietly. Groceries, rent, energy, pride, all rising 3 to 7% yearly. A 3% salary raise isn't a raise, it's just keeping up. Savings in a bank account at 1% interest while inflation runs at 4%, loses 3% of real value yearly. Your money must grow faster than inflation. Index funds averaging 8 to 10% beat 4% inflation every year. Even small amounts invested consistently beat inflation and build real wealth over time. Consistency wins. Check right now. What interest rate is your savings account paying? If under 4%, your money is losing value. Most people spend 16 years in school and graduate knowing nothing about money, investing, or wealth. Without financial education, you follow bad advice, make costly mistakes, and repeat your parents' money patterns. Financial ignorance is the most expensive thing you'll ever own. It costs you millions over a lifetime. The highest return investment you'll ever make is financial education. Books, courses, channels like this one. Spend 10 minutes daily on financial education. Podcasts, books, videos, pandy. Let knowledge compound like money. Today, buy or download one financial book. Start chapter 1 tonight. Your financial education begins now. Here's your complete roadmap property. 6 reasons salary can't build wealth and exactly how to fix each one. Use salary to build other income streams. Invest in tax-efficient accounts before anywhere else. Both matter. Income streams, tax efficiency. Do both now. Buy assets before liabilities. Shift from employee mindset to investor identity. These two rewire everything. Invest to beat inflation for never just save. Learn financial basics every single day. Both protect your future. Your salary isn't the problem. Your strategy is. Change the strategy knobble and everything else changes with it. Bonus nobody talks about, negotiate your salary aggressively. Every extra dollar negotiated equals 30 years of returns. Comment below, which of these 6 salary traps are you stuck in right now? I personally read every comment. Subscribe to Money Quill and a new money secret every week to build your wealth. See you soon.